की Khubor ka Batein se TV.
ICFA University Meghalaya is now open for admissions for the academic year 2025. Explore our best courses and apply today. Fee concessions are available for domicile students of the state of Meghalaya.
National Security Advisor ka India, Ajit Doval, haka jingkaren jong haka jialang kaban riu poar jong ka IIT Madras, kabalalong ha Chennai, ulong bahaka Operation Sindur, ka India kala kharwit yaki khandai teliki kitam leno ha Pakistan, ha kaput, hanrei ha padengri jong ka Pakistan, bat karukom kharwit ru, kalong betik haki jaka ki bamut namarba ki sipai ki India kila tip lupa manu badon hakita ki kitam bat karukom kharwidru kalong bakanom kta yaki weipat ki jaka hanrei tanghe ki jaka batmu be bansiat ula bitar yaki lat Pathai Khubor ki ba Nabari namarba ki penso tho bakla halor ka Operation Sindur bat ula kob yaki bakin sei yaki sabut bakadon ka jingu jor ya ka India Udoval ulong bawat tang Kawei ka yedru kampany ha India. Ula yaro ya ki sipai ka India. Halor ka jingjob ka Operation Sindur. Daka baong batang hapo arpulai minit ki sipai kila deb ya ka kam ban penpra ya ki kitem jong ka LET bat Hizbul Mujahideen.
We have to develop our indigenous technology. Mention was made here of Sindur. We are really proud of it. Not for necessarily what people perceive, that how much of an indigenous content was there. We are proud of it, that some of the best systems that worked, whether it was our BrahMos systems, whether it was our integrated air control and command systems, whether it was our radars, whether it was the whole this of things that was being done at the battlefield surveillance about the position of theirs. We decided to have 9 terrorist targets in the crisscross of Pakistan. It was not on the border area something, which we thought were there this way. We missed none. We hit nowhere else except that. And it is also not that was a very, it was precise to the point where we knew who is where. Entire operation was started at 5 minutes past 1 and was over at 28 minutes past 1. 23 minutes. Thereafter, a lot of things are said that this thing, foreign press and all these things, they said Pakistan did that and this. You tell me one photograph, one imagery. In, these days, these imageries are from the satellites all over the world. They are this thing, which shows any Indian damage being done, even a glass pane having been torn. Forces will be knowing what's happening in this thing, but I am just telling, they brought out photographs, they wrote this thing, the New York Times put this thing. Only imagery, they said 13 air bases of now and now, before 10th May and after 10th May. Whether it was in Sargoda, or it was in Rahim Yar Khan, or it was in Chaklala, or it was in Rawalpindi, air bases, including the Bellary, where they have got the AVAX, the control systems. I want to send to you, you must meet him.